The Azurill line is the only known species to display a trait otherwise found only in humans, the ability to undergo a sex change. Some researchers have cited this as evidence that Azurill are as sentient as humans. These claims are largely unfounded, and furthermore, Azurill looks far too stupid to possibly be intelligent. There must be an alternate explanation for this phenomenon, and I have devoted many personal resources to being its discoverer. Unfortunately, my researches yielded nothing fruitful on the question, but I did dissect close to 100 Azurill tails in pursuit of an answer. Analysis of the tail determined that its buoyant properties were imparted by a delicate concoction of a variety of hydrocarbons, many of which contained hydroxyl groups. If that stuff goes to their blood, it's no wonder they look so happy all the time. Azurill has long been neglected by Pokémon biologists, simply because it seems like such a terribly uninteresting Pokémon. However, Azurill exhibits many phenomena that aren't seen anywhere else in the Pokémon world. One such example of this is the ability to change gender on evolution. A theory proposed on the matter is that Azurill is not a fully mature species, meaning that it could possibly still contain all the necessary genetic information to create any type of Azurill. This also accounts for its normal type status as Azurill, being undeveloped. It does not have the capability to survive the drastic ocean and river currents. These recent theories have led many scientists to believe that Azurill could lead to a huge discovery in stem cell technology. Azurill's body cells must have some kind of multipotency. Statistically, it's the weakest baby Pokémon currently known. This was also one of the first babies to be discovered through the incense method of breeding, and as such it is believed Azurill come into this world with severe physical and mental deficiencies. Some major mysteries are why the sea incense is vital to its creation, and why is it that Azurill is a normal type despite needing the scent of the sea to even be created? One possible explanation is that Azurill are freshwater species but centuries past were sea creatures. Seawater does do mysterious things to both Pokémon and people. There are reasons you are told not to drink it as a child. Within the tail of the Azurill, there are also nutrients that are required for it to develop. This may be the key for why Azurill can change type upon evolution. Researchers have attempted to extract these nutrients to artificially modify the types of other Pokémon. One was reportedly vying for a water dragon Gyarados, but to no avail, as while Azurill may be two small blobs connected by a thin black cord-like tail, it is a pure power ability that should not be underestimated. Azurill is a Pokémon which has baffled the greatest Pokémon minds of our time. You are all aware of the rare trait Azurill possesses, it being one of the few Pokémon to completely change its typing upon evolution. But what if I told you there was a far odder trait that Azurill possessed? For no apparent reason, 1 out of every 3 female Azurill will evolve into male Azurill. That's right, Azurill has the potential to change its gender as well as its typing. This anomaly has been studied over and over by professors across the globe, and they've yet to find a reason for why it happens. The leading theory claims that the chemicals that promote its change of typing during evolution may also have an effect on its gender change.